All right, let's try one with trig. So sine of 2x is our function. We know sine graphs are continuous and they're differentiable. So we can assume that's going to be true on 0 to pi. And that means we want to find when the derivative of this equals slope between the endpoints. So derivative of sine is cosine. And then we have to take the derivative of the inside, which would be just 2. So I'm going to put the 2 out in front. 2 times cosine of 2x. I want to know when is that equal to f of pi minus f of 0 all over pi minus 0. So 2 cosine of 2x equals f of pi. So f of pi would be sine of 2 pi, and that's equal to 0, minus f of 0 would just be sine of 0, which is also 0. So 2 cosine of 2x equals 0. So cosine of 2x would have to be 0. We want to figure out on the unit circle where is the cosine equal to 0. So that happens when the x value is 0. So that would be here at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So 2x would be equal to pi over 2 plus pi n, right? Because we can find all the coterminal angles by just adding pi repeatedly. Well, we want to know what x is, so we'd have to divide by 2, or we could think of it as multiplying by 1/2. So we end up, if we multiply by 1/2, we end up getting pi over 4, when we distribute that, plus pi over 2n. So that gives us all the different values. We want to figure out just the values between 0 and pi. So pi over 4 works. And if we add pi over 2 to that, pi over 4 plus pi over 2, that's going to give us 3 pi over 4. That falls in our interval. If we add again, we're going to fall outside of the interval. So our two answers for this one are pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4.